Building with Papa. Okay, here we are. We've got the duct board. They're starting to build all the ductwork for the AC units. They're going to make it, then install the ductwork on the ceiling, and then they will install the units. As you can see, there's going to be a lot of ductwork going up here. We have a total of 6 units. This one here is a 4-ton unit. We have 3 4-ton units, and we have 1 5-ton unit, and then we have 2 10-ton units. It's a lot of AC going through this place. Not only just the AC, then we also have all the fresh air we have to bring in to be able to accommodate this size of a building. And then we also have the exhaust. What you're looking at now is a trunk line that we're going to have all our supplies going in. And then we have
Nah, let me see.
This is one of the 10-ton units. It's a massive unit. It's going to supply a lot of air. All right, they have the ductwork up. We have units up. Then we're going to be tying them in. We have return airs. This is another 4-ton unit. Started to hook up the electric to it. This is the 10-ton unit, the other one, and we're hooking up the electric to that also. We're getting ready to cut the holes for the fresh air. They have to be cut through the building. They're quite large. We have 10-inch and 12-inch holes going around the building to be able to bring in the fresh air that's needed for these type of units or for these size units. And then we also have exhaust coming out of the bathrooms that has to be expelled outside the building. Okay, we're running our pipes now. You can see there's quite a lot of them. Still trying to maintain our ceiling heights. Our rooftop units have arrived, and we've got the crane in. Now we got to get them up on the roof.
Big one.
So there's another fan side.
He wanted to do the 10 next.
Well, we gotta put the strap.
Yeah, we gotta go put the strap. So we could go ahead and put these.
Yeah, we need to strap these.
This one here I just unscrewed.
Okay, the units are on the roof. They're all on their stands. Now we need to start running the copper and the electric to them. But at this point now we can get a partial roof so we can keep moving forward with this project. Building with Papa. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you on the next one.